Are you confused on how to use essential oils in your everyday hair products? This recipe box can help you learn how. Let's make this sunflower heat spray together so that your hair can be naturally protected when you're using your styling tools. With this recipe box, you'll go from dry hair to having super luxurious hair. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing, so let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this amazing recipe. Grab your big bonus box and your May recipe box. From your recipe box, you'll want to grab your rosemary essential oil and your sunflower seed oil. This is super good for your hair and this will be a really great recipe for you. From your home, you're gonna wanna grab a 1 ounce spray bottle and then some distilled water. I got my spray bottle from Simply Earth. You can get your spray bottle wherever you would like, but we do sell these on our website. All right, the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put 2 drops of rosemary essential oil into your spray bottle. Then next, you're gonna do a 1/2 tablespoon of your sunflower seed oil. Next, you're gonna swirl this around a little bit so that the essential oil and the sunflower seed oil are evenly incorporated. And then last but not least, you are going to fill the spray bottle up with your distilled water. Put your cap on, give it a little shake so that everything's evenly distributed, and you are all set. All right, the last step to this recipe is you're gonna wanna put a label on it so you know what's inside your bottle. Ta-da! You can make this too. I absolutely love this new heat protectant spray. I like to put it on my hair when it's still damp, and then blow dry it, and then straighten my hair. Because this is an all-natural product, make sure that your heat styling tool, whether it's a straightener or a curling iron or whatever you're using, is not turned all the way up because your hair just may not like it. The Simply Earth recipe box makes making natural products super easy. Go get yours today.